How's it going, everyone? Yesterday was a little bit of a shakeup. We had a bit of a sell-off there. I've seen some people on social media kind of a little bit of a panic, saying sell this, that, and the other thing. But we're here on the Bitcoin daily chart. We're within our falling wedge here. Wicked out of it a little bit. Nothing crazy. There's absolutely nothing to be sounding the alarm yet. Basically, gonna keep an eye on this. The one thing I do kind of want to take note of is we fell below our support trend, which isn't the best sign. I'll be totally honest. We go to the weekly. So yeah, basically, this could be a sign of more downside to come. Really hoping that it's not. Hoping that we get a bounce right here at right around 39,000. Take a little bit closer look on the 4-hour here. So you can see our big sell-off event. We got a perfect bounce on our support. Trading right now is going to be tricky, and we could maybe expect some upside. Could go down. A bounce here would be nice, but it could fall below it. I mean, we could play in this falling wedge here for a while before we get out. I mean, we could be down close to 30,000, 32,000 even. So really, basically what I would be looking at right here is something. I'd be looking for an oversold bounce, something like that. I'm really not seeing it. For RSI to be oversold, we'd really want to see it under 20, and we're not there yet. So, trading these falling knives are not easy, super risky. I'm still holding USDT. I don't have any active trades currently. I really want to see some stronger signs out of Bitcoin before I would open up any altcoin accounts. Just there's a lot of FUD right now with Bitcoin. You got Russia talking about banning Bitcoin and crypto mining and trading. Because of this Bitcoin dump, we had massive liquidations. We got Congress talking about putting more regulations on it now. That's not really helping our cause to kind of gain any traction here. This could be a slippery slope. I don't mind if it drops a little more. It's just kind of a sale you could buy in on. But patience is tough when it's involving money. Obviously, we all want to make money as fast as possible, but sometimes you just gotta wait. All right, so here I got Theta. The other day we were talking about Theta. Believe we're right around this point in the last video talking about it, and it did work out for us well. We broke out, we got some gains out of it, but this is exactly why I didn't buy any yet, because of this, and this is all because of Bitcoin. Whenever you're trying to open altcoin trades, anything like that, you need to look at Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is bearish, these gains won't last. You might get a quick turnaround, which right here, if you bought the breakout, could have got a nice almost 13% in about 2 days. Now, being able to time this just right, super tough. And if you were to sell based off of it falling below its rising wedge, could have got around 10%. Still not bad, but it's ultra risky, and odds of nailing this slim to none. So we're still gonna watch Theta, because Theta does have a lot of news. I have a lot of I'm bullish on Theta. It's just waiting for the right time. As you can see, we broke out of our larger trend here, and now we fell back below it. We're gonna watch here. Maybe we can get above it here, get a bounce. But again, this is all dependent on what Bitcoin does, and I mean, you could potentially have an oversold here. It's just, I'm not seeing it on the RSI. You have potential bullish divergence here. It's just the way Bitcoin's been. I really want to see a lot stronger signals But I'd like to see here before I really make any move. Be bounce out. If we get above 41,000, make our way up. I really want to regain this trend line I got here. Whether it's, you know, up over here at 46,000, however long it takes, I really want to get above that. So these are just something to watch. We definitely keep theta. Keep an eye out for theta. I do see a lot of upside on theta. It's just you don't want to rush into anything. You know, perfect scenario, you buy the bottom, sell the top. That doesn't happen in the real world. You know, if it has, if it has happened to you, that is the one and only time that it's going to happen. So don't plan on that again. Buying breakouts is the way to go. You don't make the absolute most out of your investment, but it is probably the safest way to do it. So that's it today, guys. Kind of just want to give you a little update on how Bitcoin is looking. Hopefully we can get out of this falling wedge here sooner than later. We can start making some money and get back into a green market. But until then, we'll just keep watching this, keep updating you, and hey, safe trading out there, and I'll see you tomorrow.